Hello students, let's try to solve this problem. Calculate the mass percent of salt in a brine solution that is made by dissolving 13 grams of salt in 100 grams of water. So based sa problem, we have here 13 grams given of salt and 100 grams of water. So between the two, 13 grams of salt is the solute and the 100 grams of water is the solvent. So we are looking for the mass percent. So let's answer this problem step by step. For step 1, let's identify the given. So again, the mass of solute, 13 grams of salt. Mass of solution, you are going to add the 13 grams given and the 100 grams of water to make it a solution. So we have here 113 grams of water. What is asked? It's the mass percent of salt. That's the step 2. For step 3, we're going to write the formula to be used. So percent by mass is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution times 100. For step 4, let's just substitute the formula by the given data and perform the necessary operation. So percent by mass is equal to the mass of solute, which is 13 grams of salt, divided by 113 grams of water, which is the mass of solution, times 100. So the answer is, using a calculator, it's 11.50. Let's just put the percent symbol in our final answer. Let's have another problem. A hydrochloric acid solution is made from diluting 7.5 milliliters of hydrochloric acid in 100 milliliters of water. Calculate the percent volume of hydrochloric acid in a solution. Again, step 1, identify the given. So volume of solute is 7.5 milliliters of hydrochloric acid. Then the volume of solution, let's just add the 100 milliliters of water and the 7.5 milliliters of hydrochloric acid, having the volume of solution 107.5 milliliters of water and hydrochloric acid. So what is asked in the problem? It's the percent volume of hydrochloric acid in a solution. Step 3, write the formula to be used. So the formula is percent by volume is equal to volume of solute divided by volume of solution times 100. To substitute the formula by the given data and perform the necessary operation. So we have percent by volume is equal to 7.5 ml of hydrochloric acid divided by 107.5 ml of water and hydrochloric acid times 100. The answer is 6.98. Again, let's just plug in the percent symbol to our final answer.